Hello and welcome to this Power BI video. We are continuing our tutorial series, and in today's tutorial we are going to discuss two date functions which are from Power Query, that is date to text and date from text. So let's begin with transform data. So we go to this table where we have this UK date format. We have converted into a date. Now what we will try to do is this column, let's try to convert into a particular text. Okay. So go to add columns, custom column, and let's call it as a text date, and we'll say date to text. Okay. And then what we are going to do, we are going to give one column, and then we are going to give a format, and let me specify YYY space dt. Let me press enter. Formula is correct, and you can see 2002 0031. So let's see what is the problem out here. Let me try that is capital M. Okay, so and I'll tell you one more thing, like if I try it for Y capital, it will not work. So there is fixed format. Like similarly, if I try DD, it will not work. So the way you have to give it here is all for small y to capital D for month, and then small dd for date. Okay, so there are different formats, so you can explore. So now I'm able to convert it into a particular format, text format. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert from this text format to the date format. So let's create a new column, and this let's try date of date, and let's try date from text. F should be capital from, and Power Query is case sensitive, so you need to be a bit more careful while doing this. And then we have this text date, and so we will not give the second parameter right now. The syntax is correct, and let's try it out. Okay, so this is actually showing it as a correct date, but sometime it might not detect because the type, if you look at here, type will come any, and I can actually go ahead and make it date or date time, and it's successfully able to convert all of them. So that's how you can change it and use it. Now can we directly convert this one into this one? So we have a second parameter. We'll discuss about it and try see if we can do it, use it or not. So let's try UK date to US. Can we do it? Okay, so let's try again. We are saying date from text. Okay, and let's give the date. Fine. So the date column I'm going to give, and then if I do this, see it's starting erroring out because it's not there. So what I've done is I've done some searching on the net, and I got this. So let me try this ENGB as my culture option, supported culture code, and let's see it has happened. That's the second parameter this can have. So in the double quotes, I'm going to give this ENGB, and let's see. So it is able to, seems to have converted it into the text format. Let's see, into a dates format, which is kind of a text, and let's see if we are able to convert. Okay, successfully able to do it. So you can use it. So if you have a format, actually you can go ahead and try it out. So convert it into a date format. So you can force, and there are a few more options. You can actually try those out. Do let us know how you like this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for new videos. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.